In this video, we are going to be talking about this bullish divergence and double bottom pattern that is currently seen right now here on daily time frame chart of Ripple. We will be exactly talking about this critical resistance line that is valid for about 2 years from now, and what will happen if Ripple could be able to break this resistance area that is so important for us. And of course, we will go over this symmetrical triangle, this waves of Elliott price targets, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button, because still we are shorting from here. And as we talked in last update video about the Ripple price prediction, we are preparing ourselves for longing from bottom of this symmetrical pattern. We try to establish to see which lines is more possible to break first, to try and ride that trade a little bit more. But if you missed that, don't worry, just continue watching this video to the end, because we are going to add a lot of opportunity here that you can give most profit from this chart. And before that, let me say hi to the community. Hello everybody, and welcome to your channel Crypto News Today, where we share our daily analysis of the Bitcoin buying opportunity and everything in cryptocurrency that could be profitable. So to help each other growing quickly, don't forget to subscribe to us to have these all daily opportunity on your desktop every day. So let's back to the content and jump quickly to the chart. And before this symmetrical triangle, let me show you something in weekly time frame chart of Ripple. And as you can see, we are trying to hit and break this historical resistance area for a long time, and we are trading below it for about 2 years. What will happen here if we could be able to break this resistance area that is so important for us? Then we are able to say we will trade long time uptrend for Ripple. That could be absolutely a sort of massive bull run of its weekly time frame chart, that the next resistance could be somewhere around here, bottom of this downward trend. And in fact, as long as we are below this historical line of resistance, we cannot say we back bullish. We are still trading in a long term downward trending. But it is so possible to breaking happen here, because it was happened already for Ethereum, so it's not unlikely. And furthermore, by looking at daily time frame chart of the Ripple, we can clearly see we have a double bottom pattern here that is so bullish. So we can count on this place to be a good support area. And this was double top pattern from here that we saw major drop from that, and we discussed in last video. And now we have this kind of pattern in the bottom of this symmetrical triangle that could be so powerful. So in my opinion, this double bottom pattern is so strong, and we can count on this support area to place our buying zone or our longing position from here in this zone. And also by looking at the RSI, we can see clearly RSI is rejected from here, and we are having a higher low from RSI. As long as we are having a higher low, we can count on this support area. We can say we are still a little bullish from the chart in this area actually. And by looking at its chart in nearer picture in 4-hour time frame chart, as we discussed, we are trading in this symmetrical triangle for about a month. And we can clearly see it is following the 5 wave of Elliott in the topward and downward, also 3 wave of Elliott. And now what will happen here for Ripple? We can see first wave was actually made, we had see correction, and now we are another wave for wave 3 to here. And wave 3 is so important for us, because not only he is trying to go upward this trend, he is also trying to break this weekly important resistance area. This breaking out could be so massive, so we can count on this symmetrical channel to shorting from top of the channel. If the break was not happen, we can start short from here just after seeing some consolidation, and downward we can start shorting position from here. and longing from bottom of the channel to see what will happen for this channel. And anytime any breaking out was happened, then we can expect to see the next movement of the Ripple be as long as half of the beginning of this channel, that is approximately 25%. So if every one of these lines was broken, we can see 25% lifetime that rate. So we can count on shorting from here and longing from the bottom to have this opportunity to try and ride that trade whenever each line was broke. So this was our prediction from Ripple today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. See you.